All right. First question. The thing to answer, if you can make a video sending this, that'd be great. Or at least a reply. Where are you at in memorizing your scales? Did you get any further? All right. Let's demonstrate the new thing, including how to do the repeat, because we do have a rest symbol at the end here. To help you remember, when you do the repeats, give yourself a few beats to get all the way back down here. So I'll demonstrate that as usual. So yeah, just when we're doing all this single note picking stuff, we're going to pick the same direction we would as if doing the chords. So that's why we're going to go down, up, down, down, up, down, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So here we go, 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. This needs new strings. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can still get some pretty damn good harmonics, pinch harmonics out of it though. I'd play this more if this body of the guitar wasn't so pointy right here. It digs into my arm. It starts to hurt after a while. 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And old 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm doing a little bit of palm muting here. It helps me play stuff like this cleaner. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you find it easier to play, especially going faster, if you find it easier to play more clean with a little bit of palm mute, that's fine. Go ahead and do that. It can really make a big difference. Subtle change for a big difference. All right, let's go through the repeats. Try 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. My brain is drifting around. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna get this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. There, man. All right. Number 2, tapping. Right. See, lots of pull-offs here. Back down to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to 100 next. 1, 2, 3, 4. $140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's try these repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boy, all right. So what I got for the bends, something you can do with a backing track or just on its own. Let's change the setting here. There we go. All right, so basically the idea is you do that 2-string deal. You release the bent string and then hit a note. Just got to be careful not to mute the bent string with your picking hand. Alright, let's try with the backing track here. The channel I subscribe to finally put out another one in A minor. That sounds pretty good. Alright, so playing over the top of it. Now as far as well, I'll talk more about the whole using this stuff here in a minute, like something else you can do to make it sound better. But let's just run through it as is right now. It'll sound good enough, I think. Here we go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so on that backing track, it's got basically all those scales that you're learning all on one fretboard. So you can use that as a reference or use the sheet that I gave you. But basically, I think I demonstrated this last time, didn't I? Or something similar to this? Heck, I don't remember. Probably thinking of somebody else. Anyway, so let's take this first bend up here. this guy. You can use that and then just play some other notes in that area besides just that other note at the end. So, for example, so you can play around with that bend as you're up in the air with it. Same thing in the same area, we would have this bend. You can go between those two bends. So just stuff like that, have fun with it. Alright, I think that about covers everything. If you have any questions, please let me know. And remember, my question for you: where are you on the scales? Let me know. Send a video if you got them all down. And yep, that'll do it. Alright, see you again next week.